What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orki's the Garage. Today's content, I'm going to unbox the tools I ordered from MATCO Tools. By the way, if you sign up for their student program, you get like 50% discount to some of their tools. It's better deal than the truck from MATCO that goes around to every shop around. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna show you, unbox what I get from MATCO. I get the discount also, student discount, 50% off. Alright guys, I get the first one. Wanna see what we got. I know this the magnet and some of the tools. Okay, so first one, so these are the list. The camera. So these are spring-loaded crowfoot right here. So the first one is right here. So I got 3/8. I think this is like 1/2. Let's see. Okay. Oh, cool. So I got the quarter, 3/8, and 1/2. So the part number, it's right here. Here's are the part number. And if your student program is on the student program, you'll get like 50%. I know you get like big discount. So spring loaded. So this is a perfect one if you're doing the alignment or like some like let's say outer tie rod, all of the things that you'll get right here, spring loaded. So that's pretty cool. It's for 1/2. This is for 3/8. Oh, this is good. This is really strong. The spring loaded are really strong, and then this for quarter. They're really good. Okay, and it comes with the case. Okay, alright, I got the second one. Second one, I got the wow, see that? I got the big Ziploc. I'll save it for next time. This is the safety glasses. You know, if you are working underneath and then you don't want your eye to get injured. And then the part number for this one, let me see on the list. So the safety glasses, the part number FF5CLR. Those are the safety glasses. So let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, I get these the safety glasses for MATCO Tools. Oh, I really like it. It's just really sporty. It's perfect. So I really like the safety glasses that they have, and I think this on sale. I forget how much is the price for this one. Forgot, but if you check the MATCO Tools website, if you're on student discount or student program, you get this one. This is really perfect one, because some of the safety glasses, you know, some other brands, it's like, you know, those are the cheap one, but this one is the good. It's like the sunshades, so really good. Like it. All right, the next one. Alright guys, so the next one is the magnet. So here's our I want to try their magnet one, the tray, because I've seen a lot of tray magnets. The orange one, I forget what's the name of the brand, but those are the good brand I've seen. But this one is also the good ones, like the plate, magnet plate. So let's see. And here's are the part number. It's right here. Okay. So you'll get this one also if you sign up for a student discount. So let's see. Let me open up. So get the camera in. I think you can customize from here the trays. See. Yeah, you can customize the trays. So they're all magnets, so you can play around with it. So they're really good. There you go. Good. I really like it. Okay. Or you can just like take off the whole thing. Alright, so the last one I ordered the hood light, the long bar. I'm gonna open it too. So I really like this one, and I like the color. And this one is also magnet. Alright, cool. So I take it back. The back is not magnet, it's just some rubber piece or like plastic piece. The only magnet is this one, the bars right here. So I take it back. I thought it's magnet because I tried to stick it into the metal, didn't work. So it's just like this, just a tray. The only thing is like right here, but you know, it's still good. I like the ideas. All right, this is what it looks like. Looks good. Let's see. Let's see the inside. So I get this one the discount too, because I sign up for the student discount. I get a discount too from MATCO. Oh. I think this is their new edition one. So once I'm gonna make content soon. So as soon as I pre-up all my schedule, looks good. I'm gonna try this one so you guys can see it. And here's the spec. It's 2000 lumens, 800 on the low. Battery charge are 2 hours on the high, 8 hours on the low. And battery charge are 3 to 4 hours. And this one right here. Okay, that's the specs. So this one comes with a 2 hook each side, and then one big charger. It's right here. So that's what it comes with, all the packaging for the under the hood lightning for the MATCO. So you're able to attach the hook. There's a small Allen bolt right here. This one right here. Let me see. Let me try to get my camera set up. Alright guys, this is a small Allen bolt right here. You guys can see it right here, and where you put the hook. Let's see. So facing that way. Okay. Okay, wow, it's really light, very bright. Okay. Then put the Allen bolt. See, it's very small. I'm not sure what's the size. Let me see. It's a size 4 on the metric, on the Allen. Let me make sure I get my ratchet. Also, you can tilt. Look at that. Okay, and then on the other side, it's another one. Then the so yeah, everything, and then you can adjust this one too. See that? Ooh. On the other side too, you can adjust it. Yeah. So here's are the low. These are the high. For the low. Not bad. Really cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm going to post some videos soon as I get all my schedule pick stuff, and also I'm gonna use those tools, so we'll see how it good or how it looks, how it perform. So thank you again for all the support. Please like, subscribe, share, and give a thumbs up to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel. Thank you guys.